Up until now, we've played hands-on with the AI tools, testing prompts, exploring features, and figuring out what it can do for us. But this module is a little different. Now we move from playing with AI to living with AI. In this module, we will see how AI can step into our day-to-day lives, from creating our resumes to making beautiful presentations, from managing our daily tasks to managing our budgets. AI can do it all. Module 2 was more of a playground, but Module 3 is where the real game starts. So let's step into it and explore some real-life cases. From ChatGPT to Gemini, we explored the different features of all the top LLMs, and we saw how it can wear different hats, from being a legal advisor to almost a doctor, from being a tutor to being one of your biggest critic. Hello, salam, namaste. My name is Pramod Maloo, and I welcome you to Module 3. Let's start with something that we've all needed at some point in our lives. A good, clean, professional resume. Before AI came, making a resume required hours of hard work. But now with an AI tool, you can do it in minutes. And to your surprise, the results are going to be far more impressive, far more professional. Let's create a demo resume using Kickresume. The tool will automatically create a compelling resume with proper formatting, professional phrases, and a clean design. It can't get simpler than this. All you need to do is add a name and your job title. Depending on your job title, it is going to give you multiple templates to choose from. The template that you choose, you will be given editable fields in that template to add your work experience, academic qualification, contact details, etc. And here you go. Next step, your final resume is ready for you. And just in case if you're looking for a cover letter too, it is just a click away. Besides Kickresume, there are other AI tools that can help you create amazing resumes like Teal, Rezi, and more. Now let's look at another life-saving AI tool. Yes, I'm talking about the tool that can make presentations for you. We all have to make presentations in our career journey sometime or the other, and not everyone enjoys spending time making a presentation. So for the ones who don't enjoy it as much, take it easy. Gamma is your friend. AI tools can create a professional presentation with a basic rough outline that you're going to give in as a prompt. So whether you're preparing for a client meeting or a training session or simply an internal team meeting, this can save you a lot of your time and effort. So let me show you how Gamma works. The tool gives you 3 options to choose from. You can either put a one-line brief or copy paste the idea from a document, or simply upload a PDF, Word doc, or a PPT if you have one, and then let the tool do its magic. Did you just see how beautifully everything fell in place? From the structure to the template to the text to the visual appeal. And no prizes for guessing. All of this gets done automatically. Tome, SlidesAI, Beautiful.ai are some other presentation AI tools that can seamlessly collaborate and make things easy for you. Now this might surprise you, but AI tools can actually help you create a better work-life balance. From calendar automation to prioritizing tasks, and most importantly, keeping some breaks in between those priorities and task management. AI tools like Motion, Reclaim, and Notion are some of the best tools available to manage your day and ensure you are at top of your productivity, ensuring a fair work-life balance. And let me show you how to do it using Notion. You feed in your work hours, personal routines, and even goals like spend 1 hour daily on fitness, no meetings after 6 p.m., go to bed at 10 p.m. Notion will automatically block time in your calendar as per your priorities. For example, if your colleague has set a meeting at 8 in the evening, the tool will automatically send a notification to the person suggesting any time for the meeting as per your next day calendar between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. With this tool on your side, you can actually enjoy the benefits of having a personal assistant who will ensure a day which is organized, productive, and most importantly, balanced as per your needs. Is managing your finances both at personal or professional level is becoming a bit of a headache? There are some tools which is easy and smart to keep a tab at your spending and ensure optimum utilization of the money. Tools like Cleo, YNAB, Monarch Money can help you track your spending, put them in different buckets, and most importantly, give you red flags wherever it feels you are overspending. Additionally, it can also help you achieve a goal that you've set for yourself, where it can track your spending patterns and help you optimize areas where you can save optimally. Resume बना लिया, presentation बना ली, टास्क मैनेजमेंट भी कर लिया और आपके बजट्स को भी ऑप्टिमम कर दिया. Now let's talk about another task that eats a lot of our time, much more than what we can imagine. I'm talking about those 20-page long reports or a transcript of a 2-hour online meeting. Imagine how crazy it would be if there was an AI tool which can summarize it and give you the crux of the story in just a couple of paragraphs. So let's see how this document summarization and note-taking tool works. You simply need to upload the document and the tool will instantly summarize it into meaningful, actionable pointers. Tools like this are not just about saving your time, but it is about giving you the chance to focus on things that truly matters. So basically, it helps you to transfer your focus from data digging to decision making. Apart from Otter, some other tools which are equally efficient in doing the same are Scribe AI, Notion AI, and Summarize.tech. How can I not talk about home automation tool and wrap up the module Live with AI? I'm not just referring to these technology which can control the temperature or switch off the light. It's gone way beyond. As we are getting busier and busier in our day-to-day lives, we are forgetting some basic things which later concerns us. And this is where home automation tool comes in handy. For example, just think about a scenario where you're not sure whether you left the food for your dog or whether you locked your main door or not. One of the most fascinating home automation tools that we have experienced is Google Home. So much so, these home automation tools can integrate themselves with the cameras outside your house and can also tell you whether the FedEx delivery or the Amazon delivery actually happened today or not. And it doesn't stop there. Home automation tools like Google Home comes in rescue for n number of such situations. By end of module 3, I hope you realize AI is not just for techies. It is for people like you and I. It is for Aam Janta. It can help anyone get things done faster, easier, and most importantly, help you save time and focus on things that truly matters. So far, we met AI, played with AI, lived with AI, and now it's time to create with AI. See you in module 4.